In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix BlueStacks audio. We will walk through a few checks inside BlueStacks and in Windows, so your games and apps sound the way they should. First, open BlueStacks 5 on your computer. Once the main window loads, look over to the right side of the screen for the side toolbar. Find the volume icon there. It looks like a small speaker. Click it to open the volume control. Make sure the sound icon does not show a crossed-out speaker. That would mean it is muted. If it is muted, click it once to unmute. Then move the volume slider to the right to raise the volume and listen for sound from any running game. If you use several BlueStacks instances, also check that Mute All Instances is not selected in this same area. You can also press Ctrl-Shift-M at any time to quickly mute or unmute the current BlueStacks instance. Next, we choose the correct speaker inside BlueStacks. Click the settings icon that looks like a small gear in the side toolbar. The settings window opens with several sections on the left. Click Devices. Under the heading Speakers, you will see the audio device BlueStacks is currently using. Click that device name to open the list of available Windows audio outputs. From that list, choose the speakers, headphones, or headset where you actually expect sound. For example, pick your USB headset instead of your monitor speakers if that is what you wear. Then click Save Changes at the bottom. BlueStacks switches to that device immediately, so if a game is open, you should hear it move to the new output. If you use Bluetooth headphones, make sure they are already connected in Windows before you select them here. Otherwise, they will not appear in this list. If BlueStacks is still silent, we now check Windows volume itself. Right-click the speaker icon on the Windows taskbar, usually at the bottom right of the screen. In the menu that appears, click Volume Mixer. A window opens showing different apps with their own sliders. Look for BlueStacks in that list. Make sure BlueStacks is not muted here and that its slider is not at 0. Increase its volume and watch that the output device shown at the top or above BlueStacks matches the speakers you chose earlier. If this is set to a different device, Windows can send BlueStacks audio somewhere else even when BlueStacks is configured correctly. After that, check the volume settings of the Android app itself. Open the game or app inside BlueStacks that seems to have no sound. Go into its settings menu, then open its sound or audio section. Look for separate sliders such as music volume, effects volume, or voice volume. Make sure none of these are set to 0 and that no mute option is turned on. Many games remember their own sound settings even when you change system volume, so it is easy to overlook this. If everything still seems wrong, restart BlueStacks. Close BlueStacks completely so that no instance is left running in the taskbar or system tray. Then open it again from its desktop shortcut or the Start menu and test sound in a game. If the problem continues, restart Windows as well. A fresh Windows start often fixes audio devices that were stuck or newly plugged in but not detected cleanly. Finally, if game or video audio works but you only miss the Android interface tapping sounds, there is a specific toggle. In BlueStacks, open the settings menu again from the gear icon. Click Preferences on the left side. Look for the option named Enable Android Sound while tapping. Turn this to On so the switch is highlighted. Then click Save Changes. Tap around the Android home screen and menus, and you should now hear the familiar click sounds with each tap. You have now checked BlueStacks audio settings, Windows volume, and app sound, so your emulator plays audio through the right device. If this helped you get sound back in BlueStacks, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like fixes like this, feel free to subscribe as well.